Hi everyone, it's Miranda with Multiplicity Crafts, and today I am showing you a little bit of the behind the scenes of the making of the Ink Navigator kit. Also, I'll have a promo code for you, so stay tuned. But for those of you who don't know, here is my little mini infomercial that I had made previously for my Ink Navigator kit. And you can see here that there's many examples of where we can mess up our projects with ink that is inadvertently placed where we don't want it. That is the idea of the Ink Navigator kit. And all you do is just remove the adhesive backing from the tool, place it onto your ink pad, and you can stamp, and then when you're finished, your ink pad removes easily for storage. Now you can also see that there is an ink rest there on the upper right hand side of the screen, but this tool basically keeps your fingers away from the ink. It streamlines your projects and it makes things tons easier. So when you are ready to clean up, you just use a damp cloth or baby wipe and you're good to go. So here are a few benefits of the Ink Navigator kit. As you can read, there are no more inky fingers. That is the primary goal. This works great with your MISTI or other stamping platforms. You don't have to fumble with the ink pad and you can change them out easily. Now, this does fit most standard size ink pads, even the large or full size, I should say, Distress inks, as well as the oval and different shaped standard size ink pads. I also have refill strips available if you're going to be using this with multiple ink pads. But this comes in white, or I also have a limited amount in a gray color, or the limited edition of the white bubble design, which was in partnership with Make It by Marco. So here is the bubble design being printed at Make It by Marco, and you can see all the fancy 3D printers just working away, getting those printed up. And then the original design, I also have a 3D printer and I print those here. I package each one by hand. It is a labor of love. And so you can see that my original design was a very humble beginning with just a little sketch on the archaic paint program, no less. But in the end, I came up with a product that I am definitely pleased with, and I think you will be too. If you want to pick this up in my Etsy shop, I will have free shipping exclusive to my viewers here on YouTube, and all you have to do is enter the code FREE2SHIP at checkout in my Etsy shop. So I would love for you to head over and see what other goodies I have available. These are manufactured and shipped from the US, and everything is done by hand by yours truly. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.